In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Miro. Gantt charts are invaluable tools for project management, helping to visually lay out tasks, timelines, and dependencies. They make it easier to track the progress of each component of a project. So, let's dive into how you can quickly get started by using a Gantt chart template in Miro. First, you'll want to open up your Miro board. If you're not already familiar with Miro, it's an online collaborative whiteboarding platform designed for teams to create and share ideas visually. Once you've logged in and have your board open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will see the toolbar that houses various features you can utilize. Among these tools is the Templates option, which will be our focus. Click on Templates in the left toolbar. This will open up a treasure trove of ready-made templates suitable for different project needs. By using a template, you can save a significant amount of time and effort, making this the fastest method to get your Gantt chart up and running. Now in the search bar within the Templates section, type in the word Gantt. This will filter the template options and show you available Gantt chart templates that can be customized to fit your project's needs. When you see the list of Gantt chart templates, browse through them and select the one that best aligns with your project requirements. Clicking on a template will typically show you a preview, giving you an idea of its design and structure, ensuring it meets your expectations. Once you've found the right Gantt chart template for your project, click on Use Template. This action will bring the selected template directly onto your Miro board, ready for customization. It's a straightforward and efficient way to get a structured visual in place. Now that the template is on your board, the next step is tailoring it to your project's specifics. This involves filling in the tasks, dates, and milestones that are pertinent to your project. When inputting tasks, it can be helpful to order them sequentially to better visualize the workflow. Enter the dates corresponding to each task's timeline to ensure regular tracking. Don't forget to mark down milestones, key events that signify major progress points throughout your project timeline. A useful tip here: ensure the tasks you enter are actionable and clearly stated so that everyone involved is on the same page. Milestones should be celebratory checkpoints, giving your team something to aim for and a sense of accomplishment as they are reached. By following these steps, you'll have created a comprehensive Gantt chart in Miro, customized to meet the specific needs of your project. This visual representation of timelines will assist you in managing project progress effectively, keeping everyone aligned and informed. I hope this guide made the process simpler for you. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.